Welcome to Thai with Grace, and today I will teach you Thai tones. First, let's start off with knowing what are there. There are mid-tone, there's low tone, there's falling, there's high, and there's rising. There are five. You as an English speaker or speaker of any other languages might not be used to pronouncing these Thai tones, but there are only five. And if you master all of them, you'll be able to speak Thai like Thai. Very good. So let's start off with mid-tone, yeah? Mid-tone. Mid-tone starts and ends at the same point. Let's take a sample of ga, ga. See, I did not go up, I did not go down. So the sound is the same, ga. Next is a low tone. A low tone starts at the point where the mid-tone ends and it goes down. Mid-tone, ga, 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 ga. See, ga, ga, ga. You start here and you end a little bit lower. This is low tone. What about falling? Falling is like when you go up the mountain and then you go down again. So ga, ga. Let's try the first three. Ga, ga, ga. See? Up the mountain, down the mountain. Ga. Next is a high tone. With a high tone, you start high and you end higher. And you just stop there. You don't move it. Ga. 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 Very good. Ga. Let's review everything again. Ga. 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 Last one is called rising. Rising, it's like a pit. You go down and you go up again. Down, up. So it's the opposite of falling. Falling is like going up the mountain and down, right? But rising, you go down a pit and then you go up and then it will become rising. Now let's try with me. Ga, ga. You can also move your head along. Many people actually like to use their finger, like do the symbol, and it actually helps. Ga, ga. See, it goes out like that. Now let's review everything again with me. Ga, ga. Up the mountain. Ga. High. Ga. Very good. Now down the pit and up. Ga. Very good, everybody. Okay, now you're ready to start learning more letters so you can apply all the consonants and the vowel with all these tones. Thank you very much, and I will see you.